You can watch me glow.
Hey love bugs, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be doing a organized declutter my fridge. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of filling it out, but hopefully I inspire you guys to clean your fridge, declutter some stuff, organize it or whatever. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So this is the finished look of the fridge. So if you can see the before and now the after. So these right here, they have labels, but I didn't put them on there. The labels on there, but this is it right here, and this is the open it. Butter. So this is where the butter is at, and then I organize this, tap it down, mustard, pickles, and everything else. And this is a mom's fridge. Cleaning and working it, making it work. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.